Hello, I'm excited to introduce you today to Sonichem, a biorefinery technology company dedicated to revolutionizing green chemical production. Every year, billions of tons of forestry byproducts are underutilized and even burnt. This is not just a waste of resources, but also a missed opportunity to help reduce our dependence on petrochemicals. Sonichem tackles this challenge by transforming these forestry byproducts into valuable bio-based chemicals. So how do we do this? We've developed an ultrasound-assisted process that's energy efficient and zero waste, meaning that every part of the biomass that enters our process comes out as a usable bio-based chemical. And in particular, we've been very focused on making sure we've got a high-quality lignin, which anyone who knows anything about lignocellulosics knows is a very hard nut to crack. So we use sawdust, which is provided by our forestry partners up in Scotland. We take this and pass this through our ultrasonic reactor, where the waves created by the ultrasound create powerful internal forces which break apart the chemical bonds and release the chemicals in an undegraded fashion, so that we have our three chemical products, which are hemicellulose sugars from our source. This is principally mannose. And this sugar syrup has got high demand within biomanufacturing at the moment in the UK. We produce a highly crystalline cellulose, which is a known cosmetic ingredient, a useful filler and emulsifier. And then coming on to the lignin, where we produce this naturally pure lignin that's also of a very low molecular weight, making it highly chemically available. It's soluble in a range of commonly available solvents, and a real potential to help displace phenol from the petrochemical usage, a really horrible toxic petrochemical. So we are producing samples from our pilot plant based in Leicester. We were part of one of Matt's ICAST JIPs, which has actually led us into leading a major Innovate UK reform project, which is developing net zero resins for the automotive industry from our lignin, which has been a huge success. We're preparing to scale up at the moment, looking at sites with forestry partners up in Scotland, and we really want to continue to engage further with industry. We need to help validate our bio-based chemicals further and really investigate what potential applications they can have the most impact. We want to look for partners on our scale-up journey, so I really invite you to come and talk to us later outside and find out more about our technology and products. Thank you.